Excretory products and their elimination. Animals accumulate ammonia, urea, uric acid, carbon dioxide, water and ions like sodium ion, potassium ion, chloride ion, phosphate, sulfate, etc. either by metabolic activities or by other means like ingestion. Here, ammonia, urea and uric acid are the major forms of nitrogenous waste excreted by the animals. Ammonia is the most toxic form and requires large amount of water for its elimination, whereas uric acid, being the least toxic, can be removed with minimum loss of water. These substances, if retained in the body beyond a certain concentration, become toxic. Besides these, excess water also should be eliminated, otherwise will affect osmotic balance. Excretion is the process of elimination of nitrogenous waste from the body of an organism. The process of excreting ammonia is called ammonotelism, and the animals which excrete ammonia as their nitrogenous waste are referred to as ammonotelic. Here you can see the photograph of bony fishes which are ammonotelic. So many bony fishes, aquatic amphibians and aquatic insects are ammonotelic. Ammonia is readily soluble and is generally excreted by diffusion. Here you can see aquatic insects, they are also ammonotelic in nature. The process of excretion of nitrogenous waste in the form of urea is called ureotelism. Now mammals, many terrestrial amphibians and marine fishes mainly excrete urea and are called ureotelic animals. Ammonia produced by metabolism is converted into urea in the liver of these animals. Here the urea cycle is shown. So this urea is released into the blood, which is filtered and excreted out by the kidneys. Once again urea cycle is shown. Observe and try to understand. So here mammals, you can see they are ureotelic. Similarly the marine fishes also shown, they are also ureotelic. The process of excretion of nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid is called Ureotelism, and the animals which excrete uric acid is called Ureotelic. Example, birds are shown here. Similarly, reptiles, as well as you can see land snails, they are also Ureotelic. So birds, reptiles, land snails and insects are ureotelic. Uric acid is insoluble in water and these animals lose very little water through urine. So this is an adaptation for conservation of water. Now let us discuss about the excretory structures in the invertebrates. Flame cells are the excretory organs in Platyhelminthes. Example, flatworms and planaria. Here you can see the planaria where the flame cells act as that excretory organ. Some annelids and cephalochordates like Amphioxus, protonephridia are primarily concerned with ionic and fluid volume regulation, that is osmoregulation. Here you can see the Amphioxus diagram. Nephridia are the tubular excretory organs in earthworm and other annelids. Nephridia help to remove nitrogenous waste and maintain fluid ionic balance. Here you can see the structure of nephridia inside earthworm's body. Malpighian tubules are the excretory organs of most of the insects, including cockroaches, about which you have learned in Animal Kingdom chapter. Here you can see the Malpighian tubules of an insect. Antennal glands or green glands perform the excretory function in crustaceans like a prawn. Here the antennal gland of a crustacean is shown. Observe and try to understand. Hope you understood the concept well.